Hello guys! It's almost Christmas, so for a change I thought I'll start my video with my Christmas tree and not my silly face. So I asked my husband if he would take a few clips of our tree and you can literally see us on the Christmas balls. Anyway, wishing everyone a very merry week ahead before starting off with the tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, thank you for always coming back and also dealing with my shitty upload patterns. I've been sick the past 1 week, and no, it was not Miss Corona, just normal flu. So yeah, I did skip a week again. Anyway, we are really close to Christmas, so obviously I wanted to do a Christmas inspired makeup look. That's why I'm wearing my red saree. I know that's a cliche, but you know, I think most people might end up wearing something red for their Christmas dinners or lunches or parties or whatever. So I wanted to do a full-on red and black Christmassy look. So yeah, that's what this whole video is gonna be about. So let's get started. So I've already moisturized my skin, primed my face, and I'm gonna start off with my eyes because it's gonna be a little extra. Now that you're much closer to my face, I'm gonna start off with my eye makeup. I'm starting off by applying a lighter concealer all over my eyelids so that the colors pop a lot more. And then I'm just gonna lightly set it with some powder so that it's not very tacky. First, I'm going to start off with a black eyeshadow. You can use any black eyeshadow that you know works really well. This is from NYX. And I'm just going to take it on a nice tapered brush and just put it on both ends of my eyes. Now with whatever is left on the brush, I'm just gonna make both these eyeshadows meet in the middle. Now I'm gonna take my Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. If you know me, you know I bought this during the Sephora November sale thingy and it was amazing. I think everybody knows her eyeshadow palettes are amazing. I mean, most of her makeup is amazing, but her eyeshadows especially are considered like the best. Therefore they are very expensive, but I got it at a pretty good rate during the sale. That's why I bought it. So I will probably be using this palette in every other video now. First, I'm going to be taking this red matte shade. So you want to start blending it into that black shade that we applied on our crease and just blend it upwards so that it's very like reddish. I'm just lightly bringing it into my outer corners as well. Now I'm going to slightly cut my crease. I know I've been obsessed with doing this ever since I got like moderately good at it, but it really makes a huge difference, so I'm just going to do it. So as I have said a million times before in my previous videos, I'm just going to cut my crease a little bit above my natural crease because I have hooded eyes. If you don't have, you can just cut your real crease line, but I'm just going to go a little bit above so that it is visible when my eyes are open. Now I'm going to take this beautiful sparkly red shade and apply it above the concealer. So I'm first going in with a very small brush to get the ends and all very precise and neat. And then I'll go in with my fingers to just add some intensity. Obviously this took a lot of time because I was using the smallest brush ever made. So I'm editing most of the footage out. And then once I blended the edges out, I used my fingers to just add some intensity to the color. Now I'm just going to go back into that black shade and make my corners a little bit more darker. Now just some final blending. Now we can work on our lower lash line. I'm just going to do the same thing over there as well. I'm going to apply the shimmery red shade in the middle and a black on both corners. Sorry about the super creepy angle. I'm just going to smoke up my lower lash line using that matte red shade. I'm also just going to use this shade to highlight my tear ducts and my brow bone. Now I'm just gonna do the same thing on my other eye, pop on my lashes and be right back. Also, if you have not seen my video on how to apply lashes the easiest way, then I will link it up. Please do watch it. As you can see, they are very dramatic. They literally touch my eyebrows, but I like them. So yeah. For foundation, I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Neutral Tan. This foundation is one of my recent purchases and I absolutely love this. Foundation has been around for a while, but I never went ahead and bought it because I had a lot of unused foundations. But this one is amazing. If you are like looking for a new drugstore foundation, then try this one out. As you can see, this is like a perfect match for my skin tone, which I'm very happy about. And I'm just going to use a beauty blender to just blend it all in. For concealer, I'm going to be using the NYX Born to Glow. Mainly popping it into the inner corners and a little bit on the outer corners to just chisel up that eyeshadow a little bit. I'm just applying a little bit around my mouth because we did not do any color correction. I would like a little bit more like hiding there. Blending in that outer corner without messing up my eyeshadow too much. I'm also going to go ahead and contour a little bit using my LA Girl Pro Conceal. No giant forehead jokes today because I have run out of them. Now I'm just going to set my entire face with the MAC Studio Fix. Going over my contour using my Hoola bronzer. For blush, I'm going to be using this one from Wet n Wild. It's called Apri-Cot in the middle. This is a very subtle blush. It has some shimmer to it, so it's just there but barely there. Highlighter again is from Wet n Wild. It's called Precious Petals. I'm just going to highlight my cupid's bow as well. Also the nose. You know, I've been feeling like there's something wrong for a while now. Now I know what it is. It's my eyebrows. I really forgot to do them. So I'm just going to do them and be right back. Now I'm just going to line my waterline with a black kajal. Some mascara on my lower lashes. For lipstick, I'm going to be using the liquid lipstick from Huda Beauty in the shade Bombshell. This one's a little too light for me, so let's see how it ends up. Clearly, it's still too light for me. I don't know why I thought it's going to magically like suit me, so I'm going to fix it with some lip liner. This lip liner is from NYX and it's called Cold Brew, and I literally use this with everything nowadays. I think that's looking much better. If you want, you can go ahead and apply, you know, your favorite red lipstick with this. It's gonna look really, really nice. But I think with the red saree and the red eye makeup, a red lipstick for me would be a little too much. Obviously, I went ahead and popped on a bindi in between because bindis are the best things ever. Clearly, I took too many pictures for Instagram. I also went ahead and posted in front of my Christmas tree. I don't know why. Now I can't decide on which one I want to post. So that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Christmas makeup tutorial. I intend to do more before Christmas. Let's see if I get to do it. And if you do recreate this look for any of your Christmas parties, then don't forget to send them to me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!